Living on four wheels, this van life ain't so sweet. Chasing the open road, but the struggle's all discreet. Sleeping in the metal box, no space to even stretch. Ain't no luxurious living, just a game of mental chess. Life on the highway, 90 miles per hour, no stable address. Just a restless wanderer from city to city, hustling for a dime. Van life may be free, but it's a constant uphill climb. Van life, oh van life, the highs and the lows. No privacy, no comfort, it's the hardship we chose. But through the challenges we face, we find our own way. Van life may suck, but the adventure's here to stay.
They did well for themselves. Get out and